It's well understood that a trustee has duties either imposed by the law or by the trust instrument. However, a trustee may also be given powers. A duty is something you must do. A power is something you can do within your discretion. Courts will only intervene to enforce a duty. They will not enforce the use of a power. In this case, a British nobleman died and left considerable lands in trust. The trustees had a power to buy, sell, and mortgage trust property, but they had a duty to deal only in real estate with any money raised within the trust. Family members saw an opportunity to buy Bracewell Hall, which had been in the family for centuries but was sold in 1657. To get it back would mean using £30,000 from the trust and mortgaging the property for another £30,000. One trustee, a Mr. Fleming, considered that this would not be a prudent transaction, and he refused to proceed. The family and the other trustee sought orders compelling him to do so. The Master of the Rolls, Lord Carnoys, said, "It is settled law that when a testator has given a pure discretion to trustees as to the exercise of a power, the court does not enforce the exercise of the power against the wish of the trustees, but it does prevent them from exercising it improperly. The court says that the power, if exercised at all, is to be properly exercised." In this case, the power was combined with a duty, the duty to exercise the power only for the purchase of real estate. That duty the court would enforce. Lord Carnoys again. In the present case, there was a power which amounts to a trust to invest the fund in question in the purchase of land. The trustees would not be allowed by the court to disregard that trust, and if Mr. Fleming had refused to invest the money in land at all, the court would have found no difficulty in interfering. But that is a very different thing from saying that the court ought to take from the trustees their uncontrolled discretion as to the particular time for the investment and the particular property which should be purchased. From this case, we learn that the court will not interfere when the trustee has a power or discretion unless they seek to use that power improperly.